Right now, there are two versions of you. The one reading this, and the one you know you could be. The gap between them isn't talent. It isn't luck. It isn't time. It's the wiring in your head. The patterns running on repeat. This channel exists to close that gap. This is Rewired Mind. Here's what's actually holding you back. Your mind loops the same few hundred thoughts every single day. The same doubts. The same fears. The same story about who you are. You didn't choose that programming. It was installed by default. By old failures. Other people's opinions. Years of repetition. And every day you run it, the loop digs deeper. That's why trying harder hasn't worked. You're pushing against wiring. But here's what changes everything. The brain that built those loops can rebuild them. Neuroplasticity isn't a buzzword. It's biology. Every thought you repeat lays down a physical path. Which means confidence can be built. Discipline can be built. Overthinking can be dismantled. Fear can be retrained. Not with motivation. Motivation is a sugar high that's gone by morning. With mechanisms. Small, specific moves, repeated until they become you. That's the entire Rewired Mind method. One mechanism, one move, at a time. Understand why your mind does the thing. Then do the small, specific action that rewires it. It's how you stop waiting to feel ready, and act anyway. It's how you stop caring what the room thinks, and speak. It's how you trade the sugar high of motivation for systems that hold. The videos here give you the spark. But a spark isn't a system. That's why I turned this channel into playbooks you can actually run. If overthinking and anxiety are your fight, start with the anxiety exit. It's $9. If it's confidence, the confidence reset system rebuilds it, drill by drill. And when you're ready to rewire everything, there's the Rewired Mind Transformation System. The complete method. Not sure where to start? Take the free confidence quiz. It points you to your exact next step. No fluff. No theory you'll never use. Just the moves, in order. It's all at the rewiredmind.gumroad.com, link on screen and in the description. One small investment in the version of you that's been waiting. Because here's the truth about that gap between the two versions of you. It doesn't close by accident. Nobody is coming to close it for you. A year from now, you'll either be running the same old loops, or you'll be someone your current self wouldn't recognize. Calmer. Surer. Harder to shake. Impossible to ignore. The difference is never one big moment. It's 1,000 small votes, cast starting today. So here's the move. Subscribe and watch one video a week. Do the one move it gives you. And if you're done waiting, pick your playbook and run it. The rewiredmind.gumroad.com right there on the screen. Old code got you here. It won't get you where you're going. Rewire it. Starting now.